Alrighty, greetings one and all. We're still here in Kenya, and we're going to make some homemade pizzas, and very special ones. We're making them with some help here from the kids. Hey kids.
Hi.
Watch that wooden spoon there. Now, in the past when I've made pizzas here, you might have seen a video from over a year ago when I did it here. It didn't go down a treat because I put a lot of sort of adult ingredients. So today I'm going to make a pizza specifically catered for these guys, and you'll see what I mean soon. But the first thing we need to do, which is the same in any recipe, is make our dough. Alrighty, so we've kind of set our camera up here a bit. Hey darling. I love you too, darling. I love you very much.
I love you, Daddy, Mama.
Alright. Now, just wait, darling. I'm going to put just some all-purpose flour into a bowl here. And I'm just doing this by eye, but we want about 2 cups, like so.
Like that.
Like that.
And then put water.
Not yet. Soon. I'm going to put a little bit of sugar. Not much.
How many spoons?
Just 2 spoons.
That is sugar.
1 per cup. I want to also a little bit of salt. Where's that, sweetie, up there?
Sorry.
A little bit of salt. This one.
Sorry.
Let's get one in there. Like that.
And water too.
Yeah, we will need water. You're right, sweetie. We absolutely will need water. Now, before the water, where's that yeast? There it is. So this is some instant yeast, dry yeast they had in the supermarket. That's 1 sachet, it's 10 grams. I'll just
Not to open it.
yeah, I need scissors, but
And then you love you.
I love you too, darling. Oh, it's hard though.
I like Daddy. Like Daddy. I love Daddy. I like Daddy. I love Daddy. I love Daddy. Like Daddy. Now, open this.
I'm opening it. Alright. That was a bit hard to open, so we'll put the yeast in there.
And that's it.
There.
What?
Way! Don't fall over. Now those dry ingredients we'll just stir up.
And then put.
Stir them, stir them, stir them, stir them, stir them, stir them. Like that. Now we'll get some water. Alright, now we'll just do a little bit of water at a time, because we don't want it too sticky.
That is unga. Unga.
Onga.
Unga.
Onga.
Unga.
So what do you think? Some more Maggi? A bit more Maggi. You want to put a little bit more in? Just a little bit.
Like that.
Not all of it. Just a little bit. That's it. Still a little bit sticky.
Nakudunga. Cik, kudunga semua. Nakudunga ya kudunga. Cik, yang ganyan na dia.
So what we'll do,
Sheep.
we'll just leave it in a bowl like that,
Yes.
and we'll set it.
Oh,
We'll leave it sitting in there,
it's time. That is many more giga.
and we'll just leave it sitting in here. But we need to put something on top, like this, over the top. All right. Alrighty, guys. So yeah, we've just got a bit of a situation here. It's been a bit of a wild storm. It's about an hour later. My dough's been rising nicely. Now, I did mention I was going to make this pizza specifically for the kids, and I'm actually just using my phone torch here because the power's gone out with this wild storm. And hang on, guys, I'm trying to video. Hang on, just a bit of quiet for a minute. So I don't know, this wild storm seems to have affected the kids' behaviour too. But what I'm cooking here is what they call here, hang on guys, hang on, won't be long. They call them smokies. They're like little sausage, sort of Frankfurty things. They're quite heavily processed, but these kids love them, so I'm going to make a pizza with these on top. Now the big issue here, with the power being off, is we all know how do you cook pizza. It's in an oven. So my plan was to cook these, let them cool down a bit, chop them up, and that's going to be the pizza topping for the kids' pizza. We just got to hope the power comes back on when it's time to cook the pizza. Alrighty guys, so here we are, actually a couple of days later. My operations that evening, the first part of this video that you've seen, did get disrupted. So yeah, I've just quickly started again today. Yeah, I had to sort of abort that mission. I did try and cook the pizza on top of the stove, but it sort of worked, but it wasn't what I was trying to do. You've got to cook a pizza in an oven. So here's my fresh batch of dough. It's risen nicely, as did the first one. And I'm going to use this to make 2 pizzas. So I'm just going to kind of just tear it in half. And just put the other half aside, cover it back up. And then we're going to work this into a bit of a ball, and then we're going to flatten it out into a round circle shape. And I've got this round tray thing here. It's not exactly made for pizzas, but it's what I've been using here. And I've got the oven preheating to its hottest temperature. Alright, I'm pretty happy with that. It's sort of very rustic looking. Next, I've got a couple of little sachets of tomato paste. Just got to squeeze them on. And yeah, I think we'll go too. Now, as I was saying at the start of this video, this is the kids version. So those, I cooked up some more of those smokies. I'm just going to sprinkle them over. Hi, how are you, Sydney?
Bye.
What are your kids been doing? Playing? Ah. Hey, her, what you got, sweetie?
Pizza.
Pizza, yeah, we're making
I
pizza.
want the pizza.
Yeah, I have to cook it first, darling.
Yes.
Yes.
This is
That's had smokies, cut up smoky. That's all finished. You wait till Daddy cooks the pizza and you can have some. Yes, sweetie.
A big pizza.
Pizza, yeah.
A big pizza. A big pizza. A big pizza.
Yum.
A big pizza. Yum, 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 yum.
Alright, and next I've just got some cheese, obviously, for a pizza. And this was just some packet brought pizza cheese. The cheese availability here is pretty limited. Pre-grated.
A big pizza.
A big pizza, yeah.
A big pizza. Go.
Alright, I'm just going to get that into the oven.
Yes. A big pizza.
A big pizza.
And this one,
Yeah.
not working.
No, when the light goes off, it's hot enough. That's good. Can you see it in the window? Let's have a look. Oh,
Yes.
you can see it?
Yes.
Yeah.
Can see.
Let's zoom in. Oh,
I can see.
looks good. What do you think?
That's me.
That's you. Alright, you stand back. You stand back and let Daddy check it. Oh, because it's hot in there. Oh, no, it's not ready yet. But I'll just turn it around so we get it evenly cooked. Oh, it's going to be good. That's going to be a good pizza. Smoky pizza. You like smoky?
Look.
Yes. It's back on.
Again.
It's on now. It's on now.
On again.
It's on again.
There's actually a very simple way. But before I show you, if you haven't like and subscribe, you've probably seen viral videos of people spitting in this way. It's actually called leaking. Now let me show you how to do it, but first, our first method that you're supposed to use. Tap the screen twice, subscribe to the channel after being
Do any of your kids want some pizza? Smoky pizza?
I want smoky.
You want smoky pizza?
Yeah.
Do your kids want some pizza? Come, just turn the sound down and come up the table. I'll get you some. Alrighty, so while the kids are eating theirs, I'm just going to make a slightly more adult version. Although, truth be told, I don't mind the smoky version too. I love those things. But yeah, I'm just going to put some salami and capsicum on this one. So I'll get on with that. You don't need to watch that again. Just some store-bought salami. Some cut up capsicum. Janelle, are you enjoying your pizza? Do you kids like the pizza?
Yes.
That's good. I'll make again sometime. Alrighty guys, so I've got myself a couple of slices, or 3, of my, I guess more adult pizza. But like I say, nothing wrong with that smoky pizza. I've got a nice Tusca Light, which I've earned. It's quieting down, the kids have gone out to play. They seem to enjoy theirs. Here's a slice of the adult one. Basic but nice, and not a pretty good job on that dough, if I do say so myself. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Thanks to all you guys who subscribe to the channel. I'm still here in Africa obviously. I'm going to be here for quite a bit longer yet, so expect more videos from here. And life in Kenya, Kisumu, surrounding areas, family life, all that stuff. Alrighty guys, if you enjoyed this video or enjoy any of the others, please hit the subscribe. That'd be great. I'll see you all next time.